Hi, just a short video to show this Shark vacuum cleaner. This is model number Iz201uk. So it's full working. I have cleaned it inside and out. I've cleaned all the filters. It is in good working order. It does have dust still in tight places. So the battery is an official battery and it lasts about 35 minutes on economy mode. It comes with a brand new replacement charger and then the actual unit. As you can see, it folds down. It's very easy to use. As I will demonstrate. Put the battery, oh you can't see. Very easy to use but not one-handed. On the back as such. I don't want to use it too much because I've got to clean it again. As you can see, just picked up that amount of dirt. To empty it, let's do it down here. To empty, there's a button here, says eject. And the whole canister comes off as such. You can take it to a bin, and when you press this one, the bottom opens, and then you can empty it. I will clean this all again. To charge, plug it in the top. The lights will come on the battery. When the lights go off, it's fully charged. Storage, basically it is folds up like that. That's just a smelly stick. Any questions at all, please ask. Thanks for watching.